Hi guys, welcome back to Quiz Magnet. Choose your gift and test your luck with these 43 challenges, hot or cold edition. Are you ready to choose your gift first? Hot or cold? Let's get started. Gift number 1. Gift number 2. Gift number 3. Which shoes you will pick? Gift number 4. Gift number 5. Which car you will choose? Gift number 6. Gift number 7. Gift number 8. What will you choose? Gift number 9. Gift number 10. Gift number 11. Which one you will choose? Gift number 12. Would you choose hot gift or cold gift? Would you choose the hot gift or the cold gift? Choose one of them. Gift number 16. Choose your gift. Gift number 17. Gift number 18. Which watch you will choose? Gift number 19. Choose your gift. Gift number 20. What will you choose? Gift number 21. Gift number 22. Which candle you will choose? Gift number 24. Which bike you will choose? Gift number 25. Will you choose the hot gift or the cool gift? Gift number 26. Choose your gift. Gift number 27. number 28. Which bedroom you will choose? Gift number 29. Choose your gift. Gift number 30. Gift number 31. Gift number 33. Choose your gift. Gift number 34. Choose your purse. Gift number 35. Gift number 36. Which donut will you choose? Gift number 37. Choose your gift. Gift number 38. Choose your eye shade. Gift number 39. Gift number 40. Choose your gift. Gift number 41. Choose your helmet. Thank you for watching my video. Kindly like and share my video and subscribe my channel Quiz Magnet.